Let me show you one of the most underrated and high-paying roles in the entire AI industry. This is the role that takes models, pipelines, dashboards, and cloud systems and turns them into real, functioning products inside billion-dollar companies. It's called the forward-deployed software engineer, and here's the crazy part. Some FDE salaries go over $200,000 to $240,000 plus equity, even mid-level. If you've been searching for AI jobs, ML engineering roadmaps, or a way to break into high-impact tech, this video might be the turning point for your career. Here's the big picture, and it's important. The FDE role is exploding because companies don't just need models, they need people who can deploy, configure, debug, and deliver AI in a real world. The skill set is hybrid. The impact is massive. And with the right 90-day plan, you can break into this role, even without a fancy degree or years of experience. Stick with me, we're about to go much deeper. Here's the real definition, not the buzzword version. An FDE works right beside client teams and turns chaos into clarity. You deploy data pipelines, integrate APIs, connect databases, spin up cloud services, and solve production issues under real pressure. Think Airflow DAGs failing 10 minutes before a demo, Kafka queues backing up. A model serving endpoint timing out, a client asking, "Can you fix this now?" That's the world FDEs live in, and their impact is measurable. 50 to 70% faster deployments, 30 to 40% better reliability, and projects delivered months faster than traditional teams. Here's an easy way to understand the role. A software engineer builds the engine. A solutions engineer explains how it works. A forward-deployed engineer drives the engine through real terrain and keeps it running. It's engineering, product thinking, and operations, all combined into one job. And that's why FDEs are rare and highly valued. To succeed as an FDE, you need solid technical fundamentals, distributed systems, data engineering, cloud services, ML ops, monitoring, and observability. You might work with tools like Kafka, Airflow, Docker, Kubernetes, Grafana, and Fast API. You don't have to know everything on day one, but you do need to learn quickly, think clearly, and handle pressure with a cool head. Technical skills are only half the story. You also need the ability to communicate well, to take business goals and translate them into technical tasks. You'll lead discovery sessions, demonstrate prototypes, explain decisions. And yes, sometimes you'll debug issues while the client is watching. If you enjoy solving problems with people, not just through code, this role will feel natural to you. A typical week might look like this. Monday, plan architecture with the client. Tuesday, build a prototype pipeline. Wednesday, fix a production issue. Thursday, deploy a model and set up monitoring. Friday, document everything and prepare for the next sprint. It's varied, it's hands-on, and you can see your work make an immediate difference. Here are some resources that will help you. LinkedIn for job alerts. AngelList for startups. Levels.fyi for salary research. Cloud certifications. MLOps communities. System design guides. And don't underestimate the power of talking to real FDEs. Those conversations can open doors. Here's your complete action plan. Assess your skills, build fundamentals, create a strong portfolio, prepare for interviews, apply intentionally. Follow this path, and you'll be in a great position to step into an FDE role. Here's what the compensation looks like. In the US, entry-level roles start around $95,000 to $130,000. Mid-level goes up to $175,000. Senior roles can exceed $200,000 plus equity. Other countries offer strong compensation relative to cost of living. It's a serious role, and it comes with serious pay. Forward-deployed engineers are measured by real outcomes: fast deployments, high uptime, quick incident resolution, strong user adoption, satisfied clients, clear metrics, clear impact. This role is perfect for several backgrounds: back-end engineers, data engineers, ML engineers, DevOps and SRE professionals, even technical consultants who enjoy coding. If you like solving problems, working with people, and building systems that actually get used, you're a great fit. FDE interviews test practical skills: coding, debugging, API design, pipeline design, ML deployment basics, and communication. Prepare across all of these areas. Most candidates only focus on coding, so you'll have a big advantage. Your portfolio is your proof. Great projects include real-time anomaly detection, end-to-end ETL pipelines, an enterprise-style LLM workflow, a dashboard with automated updates. Include architecture diagrams, documentation, and monitoring screenshots, and host it somewhere the reviewer can open easily. Here are some common misconceptions. FDEs don't code? They code a lot. FDE is just consulting? No, it's hands-on engineering. Travel is excessive? Most roles today are hybrid. Juniors can't get in? They can, with solid projects in preparation. When you receive an offer, take your time. Review the team. Review the travel expectations. Review the client types. Review the equity and long-term growth. Use a simple matrix to decide whether to accept, counter, or decline. And yes, negotiation is normal. Here are some resources that will help you. LinkedIn for job alerts. AngelList for startups. Levels.fyi for salary research. Cloud certifications. MLOps communities. System design guides. And don't underestimate the power of talking to real FDEs. Those conversations can open doors. Here's your complete action plan. Assess your skills, build fundamentals, create a strong portfolio, prepare for interviews, apply intentionally. Follow this path, and you'll be in a great position to step into an FDE role.